Open to dating ka na, sis? Of course, ang dami ko nang nakadate. Cannot count. Namiss ka namin, sis, sobra. I miss you too! Magre-retouch lang ako ng sunscreen, guys, bago tayo. Parang ang payapa dyan. Sobrang payapa, sobrang tahimik. Kahapon solo ko yung buong beach. Tingnan nyo yung story ko sa Rainbow app. Guys, if you're not following me on Rainbow app, active na din ako sa Rainbow app. So, please follow me on Rainbow app. Kung ano yung username ko dito sa TikTok, yun din yung username ko sa Rainbow app. Sis, willing ka ba na Pinoy ulit? Hindi. Gusto ko kasi pagka nakaaway ko yung future partner ko, gusto ko hindi kami nagkakaintindihan. Gusto ko may language barrier. Best nationality na nakadate ko. Best nationality. The sweetest. Best nationality. Hirap atang sagutin nun, ah. Worst na lang. Worst was yung Turkish. Kasi ang rude niya sa mga staff. So, isa yun. Sobrang bait niya sa akin. Pero arrogant siya sa mga staff. So, that's a no-no for me. Tapos, most fun, Egyptian, but I will never date an Egyptian again. So, most fun yon yung Egyptian. Tapos, most parang genuine is yung most genuine, most calm, ganyan. Most generous, probably not the polish. Most generous is the Lebanese. Is it the Lebanese? No, not the Lebanese. The Syrian and Lebanese, most generous. Actually, they are all generous naman. Lahat naman ng ano yung ipis? Most hygienic. Korean. And then, yes, most hygienic yung Korean. Paano ka? Yes. Pero yung dinate ko kasi na yun, we're both clear from the start na we're not looking for a relationship, just two bored people who wanted to go out on a Saturday night. So, really, we didn't really flirt that much. Alam mo yun, hindi kami walang landian or anything. Parang, binigyan lang namin ng company yung isa't isa for a boring, night, day. Emirati, no. Most handsome.